Recently, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Tanjavur got grant from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for research in double fortified salt and multiple fortified salt. What is this double fortified salt and multiple fortified salt? It is something engineered salt designed to deliver essential micronutrients which combines the standard iodine with iron and other vitamins like folic acid and B12. This is to combat widespread nutritional deficiencies without altering the food taste, right? So we'll talk about deeply what is double fortified salt, right? It is something where it contains iodine as a potassium iodate, right, for daily requirements, and iron as a micro encapsulated ferrous fumarate, right, for 30% of the daily dietary needs. What is this micro encapsulated ferrous fumarate? It has specialized form of iron, right? What is its specialty is that it is coated with a thin lipid or polymer barrier, right? This protects cell mask the metallic taste of iron, and it prevents discoloration chemical reaction with other material, right? Multiple fortified salt or a quadruple fortified salt, you can say, it's an extended version of the double fortified salt by adding extra vitamins and minerals into an extruded premix which combines iron, iodine, folic acid and vitamin B12.